Hello, Ron Berglund, Berglund Law Office, Bloomington, Minnesota. And today's video is a short story about an individual here in the Twin Cities who ended up with a problem with her real estate. She owned a home. She and her husband purchased it in Richfield about 30 years ago. And unfortunately, whoever prepared the documents for the closing made a little mistake. Almost everybody that buys a home as a husband and wife, the deed is usually prepared that they are husband and wife as joint tenants or joint tenants with right of survivorship. And it makes a big difference down the road in many cases if they do it differently. If they just say husband and wife and leave out the magic words joint tenants, the state of Minnesota determines that to be tenancy in common, which means husband owns 50%, wife owns 50%. So in this case, it proved to be pretty significant because when the wife wanted me to do a transfer on death deed 4 years after her husband passed away, I did it and did not even notice that the deed did not have the magic language, mailed in the transfer on death deed to Hennepin County Recorder, and a few weeks later they sent it back and said, sorry, she has to bring a probate for her deceased husband because the deed didn't specify joint tenancy. So I had to call her and give her the unfortunate news that, it's a ticket to probate court, because if they would have come in and fixed it while her husband was still alive, it would have been a real piece of cake. But because once the person dies, it's carved in stone, there's no shortcuts, there's no way to avoid it. You just need to bring that probate. And I did tell the lady that she can wait. She can continue living in the house as long as she wants to. But when she passes away, or if she at some point decides to sell the house, it will not be able to be sold unless they bring a probate action to take care of the interest, the 50% tenancy in common that her late husband held when he passed away. So please call us to schedule an appointment if you have questions, if you'd like to have us look at your documents and make sure your deed is right, because it's real easy to fix while you're still alive. And also you can visit the website that's shown at the address on the video, and you can read some blog articles, you can watch some more videos, and you can also order my book about Minnesota estate planning. Thank you for watching this video.